Here I've got ID2ME ID1, and let me show you all the secret codes which will enable you to open the hidden modes on the following device. At the very beginning you have to open the phone dialer, and then let's start with the very useful code. It's Astrix pound 4636 pound Astrix. And now we are in testing menu, so let's start with the first tab, which is phone information. Open it. Here you can check the email number, phone number. You can also run a ping test here. Just click over here, and here you've got the solution. You can also check the roaming, the call status, data attempts, data success, and all the others. As you can see, you can also turn off the radio or use some other options. As you can see, you can check plenty of important information over here. So let's go back, and now we will go to battery information. So click on battery information, and here you can check its status, level, scale, health, and all the others. As you can see here, you've got the specification of your battery. So let's go back. Okay, let's enter this code one more time. It was Astrix pound 4636 pound Astrix. And now we will pick usage statistics. So here you've got the statistics of your apps, last time, and usage time. So let's go back. Okay, so one more time, enter this code. It's 4636 pound Astrix. And finally, you can check the Wi-Fi information. So just click on the last tab. And the first is Wi-Fi APA, so just open it. Here you can check disable network, disconnect, enable network, get configure networks, and also info about connection. Then Wi-Fi configuration. So here you will notice all the configured networks. And finally, you can see what your Wi-Fi status is. So just open Wi-Fi status, refresh it to see the current one. And here you've got details. You can also run a ping test here. Click on this icon, and here is the solution. So that's it. This is the first code, which is testing menu. It's a very useful one. Now we've got the short code, which is Astrix pound 06 pound. And this one shows you the email number that you have, actually two of them, because you've got two SIM slots. Tap on OK to go back. It's the quickest way to find email number in this device. And finally, let's see all the calendar info in one place. And the code is Astrix pound 225 pound Astrix. And here you will notice all the info from your Google Calendar, from your device's calendar, and all the other calendars which are connected with this device. Every event will be included here. So that's it. These are the most interesting and useful codes for this ID2ME ID1. Enjoy and use them whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.